Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to make 10k per month potentially without creating your own product using 4 steps method. So if you are beginner and you are looking for how to make 10k per month without creating your own product, then watch this video till the end. In this video I'm gonna show you exactly step by step how you can make 10k per month without creating your own product using 4 steps. But before telling this, I just want to say that if you are new, then down below I have put the link of my own ebook where I have revealed how you can make $1,000 per month online business. So if you are just new, then go and check out my book. Down below there is a link, right? So now without any delay, let me show you how to make potentially $10,000 per month without creating your own product. So before showing you how to make 10k per month, let me show you some of my results. You can see that I have made $20,000 promoting someone else products, and you can see that. And yes, here there is a disclaimer, my results are not typical, so I cannot give you guarantee that yes you will be able to make such commission or such amount of money, because everything depends on the efforts that you make, right? So this is my disclaimer to you. So now here, without any delay, let me show you your first step that you have to do. So here, to make your $10,000 per month, first you have to pick one business model and you have to focus on that business model for 1 year. And for me, it is affiliate marketing. If you don't know what is affiliate marketing, then let me tell you in short what is affiliate marketing. It is a kind of business model where you pick someone else's product and you start promoting that very product through unique affiliate link, and when someone buys the product that you are promoting through your unique affiliate link, you make commission. So this is the business model that I'm talking about, and we call it affiliate marketing. So you have to pick one business model and focus on this business model for 1 year. I see that somebody who's new, they want everything now. They want quick money, fast money, and when they don't make any money within 1 month or 2 months, they leave that business. So you have to consider it a real business where you have to give at least 6 to 12 months time so that you can see the results, right? So this is your first step. Pick one business model, and for me it is affiliate marketing that you can do, and you have to do whatever it takes to do, right? So this is your first step. Second step, you have to pick 1 or 2 products, not more than that, so that you can make big ticket commission, so that you can hit your income goals. As in our case, it is 10k. I see that no doubt there is lots of you can say argument on that which product to promote, low ticket or high ticket. No doubt I used to promote low ticket item, but here one thing I would say, it takes same amount of efforts to promote $1 product, $100 product, $1,000 or 2,000. It takes same amount of efforts. Now it's up to you which product that you want to promote. For example, you want to promote the product where you get commission $100. So for reaching your income goal, every month I think you need 10 into 100, 100 sale that you need to reach your income goal. But if we talk about you can say high ticket product where you get at least $1,000 or $2,000 commission, then here like let's assume we are going to promote $1,000 product and where we get $1,000 commission. So here all you need 10 sale to reach your income goal. So now it's up to you which product that you want to promote. But if you ask me, then yes, definitely I would say go with high ticket product that pays you high ticket commission, right? And you might be thinking that oh, it's very hard to promote big ticket commission product. You might be thinking, but here I'm telling you from my personal experience, once you know that who is my ideal customer, once you know the right skill, right strategy, then it's very easy, right? So this is your second step. Pick not more than 2 products to promote that allows you to make big ticket commission, so you can hit your income goals fast, right? Now, third step, pick one simple strategy to generate leads and traffic. Here again, you can say, I would say that I have personally noticed that people pick so many platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and I would say every platform works, but you have to master at one platform. Don't try to learn every traffic sources that are available in the market. Pick one traffic source or pick one simple strategy so that you can get leads and traffic. So if you ask me, then yes, if you want quick results, then yes, you can go with Facebook. And yes, if you want to do this business for long term, then yes, you can go with YouTube. Both works, right? So this is your third step. Now it's a fourth one. Again, I would say people fail in this business model. Why? Because they do everything on their own, and when they don't find any help, any support, they get frustrated, they get depressed, and they give up. Why? Because they are doing it alone. So here I would say, if you really want fast results, then go and have a mentor, because your mentor is someone who will hold you accountable so you don't quit on or make excuses when you are not being consistent and doing the work. And he will guide you, encourage you, support you through the whole process, so you never get stuck and quit. And here I would say your mentor is someone who has done every trial, every mistakes, every you can say trial, error, or every test. And after doing all that, he knows what works and what doesn't. So whatever he will teach you, that will be scientifically proven to work. So if you get a mentor, then what will happen? You will get accessibility to his Facebook group where you can ask your question whenever you get stuck, right? And there you will get the accountability, and yes, there you will get the live weekly call, so that you can get the live support from your mentor. So that's why it is very, very important to pick a mentor if you want to get success in your affiliate marketing business, or if you want to make 10K per month in your online business, right? So these are the 4 steps that you have to take. One business model, that is affiliate marketing. Pick 1 or 2 products that pays you high ticket commission. Third one, pick one simple strategy so that you can generate leads and traffic. So yes, you can go with Facebook or YouTube for long term. And yes, pick one mentor. This is very, very important. Again, I'm telling you, yes, you can buy cheap courses, and when you buy cheap courses like $7, $9, no doubt you will get the information about the affiliate marketing or how to do online business. But if you want real insight, then yes, you have to go with a mentor, because your mentor is someone who has done everything, and after doing everything, he knows what works and what doesn't. So whatever he will teach you, that will be scientifically proven to work, right? So that's why I highly recommend you go with a mentor, right? By the way, if you want the right training, then down below I have put the link of the training where you can get to know how to start your high ticket affiliate marketing business in a right way, right? So that's it for today. And yes, if you have any questions, you can ask your question. I will try my level best to help you. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then go and hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification button so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing, right? So yep, that's it for today. And yes, once again, if you have any questions, you can ask your question. Let me know what are the questions that you have. Type your question in the comment. I will try my level best to help you. I will try my level best to answer you. And yes, also do let me know in the comment section on what topic you want me to create the training. I will create the training on the topic that you will suggest me, right? So yep, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.